Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So, what if I tell you that you can learn any language you want through your own social apps? So, you can actually turn your maybe you are watching a YouTube video or something, so you can literally turn it into a language learning course for yourself. So, this AI powered tool does that for you. The name of this AI tool is Trancy, and you have to use a Chrome browser extension for this, and this is how it will work. So if you imagine you're watching a YouTube video, I'll show you how it works in this video clip.
Transform your favorite YouTube and Netflix videos into language learning resources. Trancy is an innovative language learning software that not only provides bilingual subtitle function but also helps you quickly and efficiently improve your English and speaking ability with the help of OpenAI capabilities. Brand new theater mode with bilingual subtitles to help you better understand video content. Innovative reading mode allows you to focus more efficiently on understanding difficult grammar and key vocabulary in sentences. Diverse exercise modes enable you to improve your speaking and listening abilities in a comprehensive way. We will also turn the words and sentences you have saved while watching videos into your own learning materials, which you can review at any time. We expand your vocabulary and enable you to truly learn a new language based on your interests.
This is literally a very powerful tool for learning languages. Like, a lot of people are already using this, and they have really some great reviews about this app, and you can literally learn language very easily through this. As you can see in this video which was shown, you can learn new vocabulary, learn new words. It also provides bilingual support while you are trying to learn a new language through videos, and I'll show you more. So you can learn 10 different languages using this, and as I already said, bilingual subtitle support, and you can turn any YouTube or Netflix video into a language learning course for yourself. So there is AI word lookup. You can look up the word for in dictionary for what it means. There is also AI grammar analysis, which helps you with your grammar, and intelligent sentence segmentation. NLP as an AI model to improve the accuracy of the subtitle translation. So what this actually means is YouTube also gives you subtitles, but they are not completely accurate. So over here, as you use this app, it gives you proper accurate subtitles, which helps you to learn a new language. And you can also do listening or speaking practice over here using this AI tool. In this section, the webpage AI text selection translation. So this is for people who are reading articles online in a different language or a research paper in a different language. This AI tool will completely translate the article or a research paper in your words, in your language, and also provide a nice learning kind of activity to learn the new language. As you can see over here, there's a bilingual support. It is in your language, and the above thing is for you to learn new language. As you can see, there are some highlighted colors. This is for maybe grammar, and there is also word translation. So it also translates some words which you are not able to get or grasp in your own language. So it will be easier for you to learn. AI sentence structure, AI part of speech tagging, and highlight unknown words. So this actually provides a full text immersive translation, and this AI tool is pretty quick. It converts, or it literally creates a language learning course for you in minutes. It's really fast, and it helps you try to learn new words in the language which you are trying to speak or learn. And there is one more important thing, that you can create your own text. So what I mean by text is you can create your own learning experience, tailor your specific needs and goals. You can organize all your videos which you want to use to learn a new language in a separate section over here. You can also save your favorite sentences which you like in your new language which you are trying to learn, and study what you want anytime, anywhere. And there are some more features over here. So in order to use this on your web browser or on your computer or a laptop, you have to download the browser extension which is mentioned over here. So click over here and then just download the extension which is showed. I'll use for Chrome just to show you how it works. Add to Chrome, add extension, and wow, it's available in minutes. Start learning a new language. So first you have to select your own mother tongue or your own language which you speak, which you are comfortable in speaking. So I'll select English and I'm trying to learn maybe French. Yes. You have to log in first. So I'll use my Google authentication, immersive translation, word sentence translation, more features. And also one more thing, if you're using a mobile phone, you can download the app which is available for this on maybe Google Play or Play Store if you want, as you can see over here. And there are a lot of more features which are available on the app. So I'll just show you how this works. I'll open up a YouTube video and let it translate it for me. Let it create a new language course for me so that I can learn French. Let's see this one.
Why do we suck at learning a new language? We all did it when we were babies.
Go over here.
The reason is simple. We forget how we originally learned a language, or rather.
And you will see, so you will see the subtitles in English in the video, and you will also see the translation into a French language. So if you want to change the language which you want to learn, you can do it over here, settings. Click on the learning language and you can change it to whichever language you want to learn. Then open up any YouTube video or a research paper or anything and just click
We've been made to forget.
Go to the learning mode, start the learning mode. After starting the learning mode, this will open up. And
schools teach you to memorize and analyze, but real language learning doesn't happen in a classroom. Babies are living proof. No classes, no flashcards, no pressure, yet they become fluent in a few years.
See, it gives the captions in English and it also gives the subtitles in French for you to learn. So,
but how can they speak?
This is how this works, which is pretty interesting. And also you can create quizzes and flashcards and decks, etc., to help you learn a new language quickly, step by step. And yeah, this is how it works. Give it a try. Give this a try. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used and tried it, and let me know a review about it. And kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be covering more videos on AI tools and models like this. Thank you.